Hi everyone, this is Fawaz and welcome to SharePoint World. In today's video, I will show you how to download a Dataverse file directly from PowerApp. For this demo, I have a Dataverse table named Employee Resume, which contain two employee record along with their resumes. Our goal is to download these files from PowerApp. So now let's jump into PowerApps. So here you can see I have a screen ready. This one download. So I am just starting by adding our Dataverse data source. So let me add that one. Our table name is employee resume. So now the Dataverse table is added. Now we will set up our gallery. So first I will create a gallery to display the employee records. So insert, we'll put vertical gallery. I'm just selecting our data source. I'll just put one icon for downloading. Okay, now our gallery is ready. So now we'll see this button will trigger the download. So we'll see how we can implement that. So for that, first we need environment URL. So to get the environment URL, we have to go here, admin center, your environment to get the URL. So once you go to your environment, you can see your environment URL. Just copy that and go to your Power Apps. Download off here. You have to pass first your environment URL. Now we have to construct a URL for this one API URL. So I will show you how we can do that. So once you have the environment URL, just append API data and the version. Now we have to pass our table name. So let me go to our table. Here in the properties, you will get the table name. Just copy that one. Just add your table. Now we need the record ID for this. So the record ID we can take from this item. So for that, what I'm trying to do here, we can put and now this item dot our table, that is employee resume. Just select that. Now we have to pass our column name. So the column name in our case, this one, resume. So let me open column. So here you can see resume. So I'm just copying the name. Go to your Power Apps, paste that, then pass the value. Now just close the download. Here you can see the URL is ready now. So download your environment URL, then add your data source name, then the field name, then the value. So now we'll try to download this one. Let me play this. So once I click here, here you can see it's get successfully downloaded.